Hi there, Sandra here from createinspain. Just a quick video today. Today's card is so simple you really don't need a tutorial for it. It's a cut-out front with a gold, in this case, foil card behind it and then put on a card base. So I think you can manage that without any further help. The file will be linked down below in SVG format as per usual. So this is more of a chat video, and I wanted to mention that I now have a laser cutter. Some of you may have already noticed this, some of you may not. Now for those of you not interested in laser cutting, don't worry, because the SVGs that I will provide, unless they're for particular wood projects or something like that, will be able to be cut on your normal cutting machine because the SVG format is not changed. So if I do a paper project, regardless of whether I cut it on my Juliet or whether I cut it on my laser, and it could be either, it'll make no difference. You'll be able to do it one way or another anyhow, because you have the file in SVG as usual. Nothing is going to change for you from that point of view. What may change is that you may find that you get some laser videos if you are having notifications and you're subscribed. If you really don't want those, then I suggest you unsubscribe and just check the channel every now and again. Bookmark it so you can find it easily. That makes it a lot easier. And just check it on a weekly basis and see if there's anything of interest to you. If you don't object to those notifications and you don't want to see laser videos, then just ignore them and wait for a card one to come up. This channel remains unsponsored. I bought the machine with my own money and I do not have advertising on my channel. Well, from my point of view, I don't. I do not have it monetized from choice. If you get adverts, that's YouTube's doing, nothing to do with me. I do not benefit from those adverts. Not a bit, not one penny. So that's it. Nothing much is going to change for you and nothing much is going to change for me. It just opens up new things for me to do, be it tile engraving, making wooden things, creating book nooks and doll's house furniture, whatever else, miniatures and things like that. There will still be card videos, project videos, stencil making videos, software tutorials and all the rest. And I will still be using shortcuts a lot to design. So I will still be doing the odd iPad tutorial, still be doing the scowl tutorials and everything else. Just that I'll be adding different things into the mix as well. Hope you've enjoyed this quick video. I will see you again soon. Take care now.